For, huh?
Let me hear you sing. Sing us a song. Go slow, David. You did it. That's so pretty. Coraline sings for us as we walk through the woods. Can you sing some more? Yeah. Can you sing? So Pappy.
Well, Pappy got on your hand.
Thank you for singing for us. So what were you singing? What were you singing?
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
She sees the chicken. Let's go inside. Let's go wash off. Come on. You ready to go inside? Come on.